If you've ever flown a drone during the day, this scene should look familiar to you. You're staring at a screen, tons of glare. You try to find a tree or some shade to get under, maybe get inside your car. You don't want to miss the shot. Sometimes you're in locations that you'll never come to again, and that's where I've been. I've been in a lot of situations where I've got great shots, but they could have been amazing shots. Take this hood for example. I bought it, high hopes, thought it was going to really help. Obviously it didn't. Doesn't even like to stay up. Doesn't help with a lot of glare. Now you might say the glare is all good. I mean, I can see the screen fine. Well, there may come a time when you can't see the screen well enough. Consider this for example. These narrow little wires are something you can totally run into and destroy your drone. I like to fly close proximity to things, and the only way to fly close proximity comfortably is to see your environment properly, to know what you're flying around, how far away you are, to make sure that you avoid accident and you get the shot. My solution to the problem is your own personal shade. Clips onto your hat. Gives you a 3x20 window in the front so you can watch the drone take off, come back in and land. You're completely aware of all your surroundings while you're flying, so it's safe. Besides functionality and all that it provides, it's super convenient. Folds up into this tiny little package. You'll be able to pack it anywhere. It'll help you get that shot on your next epic outing. Here's some situations from the past year where I wish I had this set up. When I first filmed this, I didn't even know there were 2 fishermen down there on the point. I would have if I'd have been able to see my screen better. Anyway, if you fly, I'm sure you get it. You want to see what you're doing. Simple as that. Hope you enjoy. Hope you support me. Again, I make these tools for me. If you like them, show me that it's worth me putting the time in to do a production run. Big thanks from ZenX10. Braap, Braap. We'll see you out there.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, 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 for the record. For the record. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. Frozen. A6 all the hate. I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars and flipping the. On record, off record, I still count wins when they doubt it. On record, off record, I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record, I still want the act, not the ghost. Running through it with the young influence. Adolescent presence. I'm succumbing to it. I've been giving yeses when I shouldn't do it. I complete ejected, but the moves elusive. And I'm barely moving, but I'm still gon' boost them. I can't work on winnings when I know you're losing. So I went to winnings and they throw the deuces. Guess I have to pivot, shooting their bazookas for the facts. I need racks, paper, cash, good tax. That's a joke. Tell them laugh. Uncle Sam got the bag. Brody plot, but get a whack. Contract, give me the max. I got lab on my back. You ain't that, then it's raps. Whoa, 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 whoa. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record.
How you feeling, Wheels?
Thanks from Zen times 10 for watching. If you like that video, make sure you subscribe. We have future promos and contests coming up. Click that like button and drop us a comment on the way out.